Hey guys, up in one of my favorite spots today, doing a little collared dove hunting. And some of these doves that are in this area are invasive, and there's no limit and no season. I kind of like them because it adds a little something new to what you can hunt up here. It's really cool. So I will photograph some pictures of them. I just shot 3 doves at the top of this tree, all the way at the top. They fell, came over here ready to get them, and I can't go in there. Look at it. That's not just a little poison oak, that's a lot of poison oak. Here we go, guys. I got a dove right here I could shoot, but how am I going to get through that stuff to get them? This is what I'm talking about. Hey guys, look at that. We got a little chucker. Yeah, ground bird hunting. We're successful. He's small, but at least we got a little something. Now we're gonna go try for pheasant. I am here to chew bubble gum and shoot pheasants. And I forgot my bubble gum. So come on, let's do it now. Okay, find us a pheasant, Max. Go get him. Hey guys, me and Max here again, and we're pheasant hunting at E.E. Wilson, and they stock it. And there's no hunters today. I have no competition, as opposed to this weekend. Hunters everywhere, but it's a non-stock day, and it's a weekday. It's a Monday, so there's no hunters in here, and this is really cool because I've seen pheasant, a lot of them. There's a lot of them that they didn't get this weekend, and they're coming out because they're nice and relaxed from being shot at all weekend and not getting shot at today. They're coming out. So I'll get back at you here. I've seen them everywhere, you know, and yesterday was absolutely stupid. It sounded like the 4th of July, just boom, 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 boom. Bunch of guys, yuppies, would see a pheasant and it just sounded like World War II, like D-Day. It was crazy. So it's good to not be here on the weekend. The ambiance from the dump, along with the noise of the traffic, makes a great hunting day, guys. We got smells and sounds. Okay guys, so here's how it works. They give you the dates, the days, and the number of pheasants that are going to be released on those days. So we are Monday the 24th, and the number is 0. So there's no pheasants being released today. So here's my understanding of how this works. Is today's a 0 day, so there's nobody here. It's a weekday to boot, so people are working. I am now nailing targets out there at 50, and I'm going to push it out to 60 yards here in just a minute, because I nailed that 40 easy, and then I went out to 50 and I was still doing it. All I needed to do was shoot heavier shot. That's all it was. Stuff. It's frustrating. It's frustrating because the shot that I was using was called pheasant shot. It was a number 6, and I just scaled down to, I think this is BB right here. Yeah, BB is what I'm using right now, and it gets out there. You know, it sounds ignorant, guys, but I don't know a lot about shotguns. I don't use them very often. But now I know what to do. Let's go get them. Oh my God. I did it, guys. I'm about as close as I can get. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take the shot here in a few minutes. Okay, this is as good as it gets. Optimal position, guys. Low crawled all the way up here. I think I got him. I'm gonna let everything calm way down, and then I'm gonna start murdering. Here's a discovery. It's like beaver activity, and I've got a trapper's license. Man, this beaver dam is firm. This is well-built construction. Man, the Oregon ODOT crew, their road crew, could learn anything from these guys. Beaver gave up on the old oak. Looks like he bit off more than he could chew. Bump. Oh man, guys, this marshland hunting is an education and a workout. This stuff, tell you what, I don't know how many calories I burned today, but it's a lot. Whew! Oh man, and part of my education today, I'm learning you can traverse the beaver dams, and it saves a lot of time and makes travel a lot easier.